Money, 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 Monday. Monday. Money, 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 Monday. Hello, world. My name is Timolin Langin, and I am coming to you from Los Angeles to share tips and conversation with you regarding money. And I want to help people spend it better. I want to help you make more money. I want to help you get out of debt. I want to help you achieve your financial goals. Whatever they are, I want to help you achieve them. And I also want to talk to you about something that we don't normally hear, and that money is also emotional. Did you know that? Did you know that money is emotional? And that I truly believe that one of the ways to help you get out of debt or to increase your financial success, start a business, or whatever that dream of yours is, whatever that financial goal is that we have to understand the emotional side of money and how that impacts our spending. Yes, our emotions, our feelings partner with our spending habits. So we will have conversations about those things as well. I am committed to being here with you every Monday at 4 o'clock. And 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. That's 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I am excited to share these tips with you. I'll give you a little bit about my background, because I want you to know that one thing before I do that is that money is, you have to be very strategic with money. Money is a tool, and it is what you build with. It is what you create with. And I have this saying that you live your life by design and not default. So I want to show you how to take the money you already have and create the life you want. I do believe that we working people can live the life of our dreams. And I am one of those people, highly unlikely to be able to do so, but actually doing it. And I'll share this one story to give you an example of what I'm talking about. I went to the Australian Open. I'm a huge tennis fan. I've been following tennis since I was a little girl. And so I got to go to my first major and watch a pregnant Serena Williams and Venus play their matches. And I didn't sit way in the boonies. I sat on the front row behind Serena's bench, and I had the most awesome interaction with her that I'm going to tell you about next week, because they tell me I have to keep these videos short. And I want to just get on into the lesson of the day, which is that money is a tool, and that you can use that tool to build the life of your dreams. And so I'm going to ask you to think about that one thing that you desire most, what I like to call your dominant passion. Write that down. Think about it. I don't want it to be too complicated. I want this to be really easy and simple. And then when I come back to you next week at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we'll talk about those things. So leave a comment, share the video, leave a comment, do the things that people do. I don't know. Oh, and definitely leave a comment, because I will read those comments and I will respond, because I want this video to be about you and what your needs are. So if you've got concerns, you've got a question, you've got a comment about something you're going through financially, please leave that in the comment section, because I feel truly like it's like going to the gym. When we take the journey together, we're more apt to stick to our goals and achieve those goals. And in the process of keeping this video short, I'm going to end it now, and I will say to you that financial success is not a gift, it is a habit. And I'll see you next Monday, and I'll tell you a little bit about myself and why I'm doing this video and why I'm doing this. See you next time. Bye bye.